Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am on board the MS Noordam right now and I'm gonna give you a little room tour. I have an inside room on deck 4 and I'm gonna show you around and show you that it's actually a bit more spacious than you might think. Also, I have been staying in the room for a couple days with my brother, so it is a little bit messy and it's not how you would expect it to be when you first board the cruise ship, so please keep that in mind. So I'm in room 4017. And as soon as you walk in, on the left you have your beds. When we first came, we had actually a queen bed configuration, so we got them to split it up and that has been really good. Right next to my bed, I've got the phone and my little bedside table, and my brother has the same. The beds have actually been so comfortable and the pillows have been so good to sleep on as well. I honestly cannot fault it so far, so I'm very, very pleased. So right opposite the bed, you have space for a couple suitcases and you also have your rubbish bin there as well. And also you have your little dressing table with your TV and mini fridge. So if I just open up this cupboard here, you've got some drinks in there and you actually have more space than you think. On this side, you have your hairdryer and a little facial mirror as well as some cups. And this wardrobe space has been the biggest amount of wardrobe that we've been ever given on any inside cabin on any cruise line that we've ever been on. So we were very pleasantly surprised. Let me show you the wardrobe space. So you have two big cupboards. You've got one on the left and one on the right, which actually fits so much stuff in it. And then to my left, I've got a full body mirror, which is so handy. And then we have another cupboard right next to the mirror, which actually has the safe in it and a couple other hangers and some more cupboard storage space, which is always so handy. And now we move on to the bathroom. So it's just in here, and as soon as you come in, you have your shower, all with LMS body products, and then a little nook to put your own skincare stuff in. You've got space for your towels, and then of course you've got the toilet as well and a little bin. Then you've got hangers, you've got your sink and a little shelf space underneath. Again, you've got LMS body care lotion, and you've got soap as well. You've got cups, soap dishes, and then in here you also have storage space as well. So I've got my skincare in there, shampoo, conditioner, and our toothbrushes. And then you also have this huge mirror. You also have two hooks on the back of the bathroom door, and you also have the ability to pull across a clothesline in the shower. Let me just show you how it looks like. There we go. So you just pull it from there and you attach it into that little metal slot, and it works out perfectly just for washing your underwear or any little things like that. Something that I really appreciate and haven't seen on too many cruise ships is this privacy curtain. It is so good, especially if you're sharing your room with another person. It makes things so much easier. So I hope you enjoyed that room tour. This inside cabin is actually really, really great. I was kind of scared that I'd be a little bit claustrophobic, but I do not feel that at all. And I'm sure if you stay in here, you'll have a really great time as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and please consider subscribing. Bye.